Hey Dad, we just got here. I'm sorry I didn't call you earlier.
Why didn't you call?
Yeah, I know Dad, I'm sorry. Next time I go on a trip, I'll call you earlier.
Well, can I get the address?
No, I don't have the address.
Can I speak to the cousins?
The cousins? No, they're in Spain. I didn't tell you that. I just found out.
Is there anything else you need to tell me?
Oh my God.
What? What's going on?
Dad, they're taking Bryan. Oh, Dad, they're taking Bryan. Oh, Dad, what do I do?
Go to the next bedroom, hide under the bed, and tell me when you're there.
Oh, okay.
Now the next part is very important. They're going to take you.
No!
Stay focused, baby. This next part is key. You'll have 5, maybe 10 seconds. Leave your phone on the ground. Shout out everything you see about them. Eye color, hair color, tall, short, scars, eating habits. They're there. I can hear them.
Dad, I think they left. Black hair, looks smart, tall, maybe eats breakfast.
I don't know who you are, and I don't know what you want. If you're looking for ransom, I can tell you I don't have any money. But what I do have is a very particular set of skills. Skills acquired over 2 trimesters of AP stats. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you. If you let my son go now, it will be the end of it. I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. But if you don't, I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Good luck.
So I've come to you with a problem.
What is it?
My son's been taken.
Well, how are we gonna get him back?
Well, the only information that I have is that the taker is smart and he might be eating breakfast.
Maybe there's a correlation between the two. We would need to conduct interviews and get data on people's eating habits and compare those with the relationships of their GPA.
Righteous. What's your GPA? Average.
Last time I checked, it was like a 3.66.
Hello, Shelby Violet. That makes a cut. Do you eat breakfast every morning?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
What is your cumulative GPA?
4.3.
4.3. Wow. Very good. And do you eat breakfast every morning?
Yeah.
All right. That's all you need. Thank you.
What's your average GPA?
3. 3 flat.
Do you eat breakfast every morning?
Interesting.
I get a 1.0. Eat breakfast every morning.
Cornflakes.
Yeah, do you?
Do you mind telling us your cumulative GPA? Do you eat breakfast every morning? What is your average GPA? 6. Alright, and do you eat breakfast every morning?
Yeah.
Yes, you do. What is your cumulative GPA? Go.
3.8.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yeah.
What is your cumulative GPA? 3.88. I would be proud of that too. And do you eat breakfast every morning?
Yeah.
Yes, you do. Okay, thank you. Alright, now that we have all of our data, we can use a 2 proportion z-test to compare the relationship between eating habits and their GPA of all GHS seniors. Our original hypothesis would be that both proportions of top 200 ranked seniors and bottom 200 ranked seniors eat breakfast at the same proportion. Our alternate hypothesis would be that the top 200 ranked seniors eat breakfast more often than the ones that don't rank in that top 200. And after taking data from 30 random seniors from each group, and each interview being independent from each other, I found that the data is fairly normal. And through calculations, I can find that our z is equal to negative 2.6. So this p-value is significant at the 5% significance level. So we can assume that there's a high correlation between the eating habits and the GPA of GHS seniors.
What you mean is, according to your calculations, my son's kidnapper should be at a breakfast place.
Thank you.
So what's going on here?
Eating breakfast. Turns out Nolan just wanted to take me a free pancake day at IHOP. So how'd you find me so quickly, Dad?
I ran some tests and I found that there was a correlation between smart people and eating breakfast. Since it's free pancake day at IHOP, I figured I'd come here.
Did you ever find Bryan?
No, it turns out those were real kidnappers. He's dead.